If you have heard of Argos, then you must be a fan of retro catalogs and interested in the fashion and lifestyle of the late 1970s and early 1980s. Do you remember flipping through the pages of Sears or J.C. Penney catalogs and admiring the models as a teenager? If so, you are in for a treat as we take a trip down memory lane with the Argos catalogs from 1978 to 1981. Argos, a popular UK retailer, may not be familiar to many Americans, but their catalogs were filled with a variety of products, from home furnishings to clothing and accessories. Just like the Sears and J.C. Penney catalogs, Argos catalogs also featured models to help sell their products. However, what makes the Argos catalogs from this era so special is the inclusion of gratuitous nudity. At first glance, the catalog pages appear to showcase typical interior decor and home products, but upon closer inspection, you'll notice the Argos models really sexed it up. The models, known as the Argos ladies, exude confidence and charm, making even the most mundane products seem alluring. From patio furniture to shower curtains, the Argos ladies had it all. As we delve into the Argos No. 10 1978 Autumn Catalog, we're greeted with images of the Argos bed linen models sleeping in the nude. Then, as we move on to the Argos No. 11 1979 Spring-Summer Catalog, we witness the models showcasing a one system, 5 shapes concept, with a woman's nude soapy body as the centerpiece. By the time we reach the Argos No. 15 1981 Spring-Summer Catalog, the models are pushing the boundaries, with one image featuring a topless woman tanning her boobs. This bold display of nudity was something that was not commonly seen in US catalogs at the time, making the Argos catalog stand out. The Argos catalogs from 1978 to 1981 offer a glimpse into a bygone era, where the boundaries of modesty were pushed in the world of retail. The images in these catalogs not only showcase the products of the time but also reflect the changing attitudes towards nudity and sensuality in advertising. The most exciting part is still ahead, so let's immerse ourselves in the images and reminisce about that era. As we journey through these old photographs, we'll gain a deeper understanding of the historical context of the late 1970s and early 1980s, a time when fashion, lifestyle, and advertising were undergoing significant transformations. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this nostalgic trip through the Argos catalogs, where gratuitous nudity was on full display, and the models exuded an irresistible charm that captivated audiences of the past.